Another Benton County.
Arkansas, southwestern Washington County in northwestern Arkansas, northeastern Taylor County in northeastern Oklahoma until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Cincinnati to 6 miles west of Watts, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Silo Springs, Prairie Grove, Lincoln, Westville, Watts, Cincinnati, Barron, Lake Francis, Ballard, Clyde, Weddington, Rhea, Cahill, Summers, Morrow. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Tulsa.